They don't want you to know this.
Did you know there's an invisible number attached to your name that determines whether you get approved or denied? It's not your salary, it's not your savings, it's your credit score. It's a system designed to judge your financial worthiness before you even know what's happening. And the worst part? Most people have no idea how it works or how to fix it. But today,
We expose it.
how credit scores work, the hidden traps keeping yours low, and the exact steps to take back control. Because if you don't understand this number,
Someone else is controlling your financial future.
welcome back to Money Mystery, the channel where we expose the financial secrets they don't want you to know. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful yet misunderstood numbers in personal finance.
Your credit score.
They think it's just a number, but it's so much more than that. It's a key that unlocks opportunities or slams doors in your face. Banks, lenders, and even employers use this number to judge you, deciding whether you deserve opportunities or financial restrictions. But what if you could flip the script? What if you could turn your credit score into a weapon that works for you, not against you? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how credit scores work, what's secretly lowering yours, how to start fixing it today, and protect yourself from errors that could cost you thousands. What is a credit score and why does it matter? Think of your credit score as your financial reputation. It's a number that tells lenders, banks, and even landlords one thing:
Can we trust you with money?
but who controls this system? Not you. 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, are tracking your every financial move, and they don't always get it right. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that tells lenders how risky you are to lend money to. The higher your score, the better your chances of getting approved for loans, credit cards, and even apartments. Here's how it breaks down. 300 to 579. Poor. You'll struggle to get approved for anything, and if you do, the interest rates will be sky high. 580 to 669. Fair. You might get approved, but you'll pay more in interest. 670 to 739. Good. You'll qualify for most loans with decent rates. 740 to 799. Very good. You'll get the best rates and terms. 800 to 850. Excellent. You're a lender's dream. But here's the kicker. Your credit score isn't just about loans. It can affect your insurance rates, your ability to rent an apartment,
And even your job prospects.
So how is your score calculated? Let's break it down. Your credit score isn't random. It's based on 5 key factors. Here's what they are and how much they matter. Payment history, 35%. This is the biggest factor. Pay your bills on time every time. Even one late payment can tank your score. Credit utilization, 30%. This is how much of your available credit you're using. Keep it below 30%, but ideally under 10%. Maxing out your cards is a red flag to lenders. Length of credit history, 15%. The longer you've had credit, the better. Don't close old accounts. They help your score. Credit mix, 10%. Having different types of credit, like a mortgage, car loan, and credit card, shows you can handle multiple responsibilities. New credit, 10%. Opening too many accounts at once can hurt your score. Be strategic about applying for new credit. They use these 5 factors to decide your financial future.
But here's what they don't tell you.
The system is designed to make it easy to ruin your score, but difficult to fix it. Here's how to flip the odds in your favor. Limit hard inquiries. Only apply for credit when you really need it. Become an authorized user. Borrow someone else's credit age. Always pay on time, even the minimum payment costs. Pay down your balances and keep them low. Don't close old accounts. Even if you don't use them, old accounts show a long credit history. The system is built to keep people guessing.
But now, you have the cheat codes.
What if I told you that 1 in 5 credit reports have errors, costing people thousands and higher interest rates? Here's how to check your report and dispute mistakes. Get your free credit report. You're entitled to a free report from each of the 3 major bureaus every year at annualcreditreport.com. Review it carefully. Look for errors like accounts you don't recognize, incorrect balances, or late payments you know you made on time. Dispute errors. If you find a mistake, file a dispute with the credit bureau. They're required to investigate and correct errors within 30 days. Follow up. If the bureau doesn't fix the error, escalate your dispute. Fixing errors can give your score a quick boost and save you from being unfairly penalized. This isn't just about numbers, it's about reclaiming your financial power. Now that you know the truth, what will you do with it? Will you let your credit score hold you back? Or will you take control and use it to build the life you want? The choice is yours. Fix your score and doors open for you.
Ignore it and you'll keep paying the price, literally.
Start by checking your credit report, disputing errors, and following the tips we've shared today. Small steps now can lead to big changes down the road. What's the biggest challenge you've faced with your credit score? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Money Mystery for more tips on taking control of your finances. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold,
And keep unraveling the mysteries of money.